Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to redeem codes in Idle Heroes. If you are looking to redeem codes in Idle Heroes and claim free in-game rewards like gems, heroic summons, scrolls and more, then follow through the step. First of all, launch the Idle Heroes game on your device and from the home page, go ahead and look for redemption code button at the bottom left right next to chapters. Now click on exchange. On the next page, write down your redemption code in the text box. Once done, click on exchange. Now, if the code is available, you can head over to your game's mailbox and you will then be able to find and claim your rewards. Now, if you open up your mail, you will receive an email and your code redemption will be successful. Click on claim to claim your reward. And there you have successfully redeemed codes in Idle Heroes game using your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.